Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Right now Chad's at the grocery store, Forrest is sleeping. I am starving. I need to eat something and I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I want to start painting our bedroom today. I'm really excited to just start. I know I won't finish. I'm about to show you the island that we did in the last vlog, and a lot of people were like, hey, why didn't you show an after in this video? You guys, we did not finish it in one night. It's done now, it looks great, but things take time, you know? And I know our room is gonna take way longer than the island because it's a lot of space, and with a baby and working around his sleep schedule because he sleeps in there, but I'm gonna move his bed out of there today so I can paint while he sleeps. And hopefully I at least get somewhere. Hopefully I get even like a fifth of the way done. But let me show you how the island turned out. Here's a look from this side. I'll turn down the brightness actually just a little bit so you guys can see the color. It is super similar, that rug, and the color of this island. Let me go to this side because this is the side that has all of the drawers and cabinets and the hardware on it, and I think it looks so pretty. A lot of you said to me that it's so much more me, and I could not agree with you more, having the bright color as opposed to navy. I felt like the navy was sucking all of the light out of this area and making it even darker. It's not dark in the first place, but I like as much light as I can possibly get in a room. So I think it turned out really well. And the paint's from Benjamin Moore. So they have a finish for kitchens and bathrooms called Pearl. They do have satin, and a lot of people recommend satin for spaces like this, but then they have Pearl, which is like extra recommended for bathrooms and kitchens. So that's what we ended up using, and I think it only was 2 coats. It covered super well. Like even after the first coat, I couldn't tell there was navy underneath. So give you a little close-up, but it wasn't even that big of a project. The only thing that took time is just taking off like all of the hardware and all the drawers, all the faces of the drawers so we could paint the backside, but that's that. And I am trying to be healthy as always. How many times have you heard me say that? We have some veggies prepped out. I need to like reorganize in here. Obviously, it's a little bit of a hot mess. We have pasta. I honestly was about to reach for that pasta, but I'll be even worse and have some queso from Mother's Day left over. We need to get rid of it, so I mean, I might as well. I don't know if you caught my last video, but I organized the pantry. It's looking real good right now. I need these chips. And then I'm also going to make my favorite drink, which is sparkling water, whatever flavor, I don't care, and simply lemonade. You have to try this, it's so good. It tastes like one of those San Pellegrino sparkling fancy lemonade drinks. If you've seen those before, just sparkling water, lemonade, and I pour them in at the same time. It is so refreshing. Seriously, I drink this every day. Alright, ham sandwich and I are about to go for a walk. He's all wrapped up and chilled out. He ate, he changed, he has a new outfit, all the things. And a baby, oh man, your ears are all messed up, but that's okay. Let's hit this foot thing, grab our phone, cup holder, and well, we're about 15 minutes in, still going strong. The last time we walked, he was freaking out by this point, so improvement. You wanna keep going? I still haven't unpacked all my shoes. I've literally had these shoes and a pair of Uggs and a pair of sandals for the last like 3 months. Okay, we're back, bud. We have a sleeping baby that doesn't sleep very long in the first place, so let's do this.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? attack.
It's like a bluish gray, but it looks really gray on camera. I don't know if it's even showing up remotely what it looks like in person.
How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind.
I guess I'll go this way because that's gonna be way more of a mess.
We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out.
Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
I need to go feed my baby, but I'll show you guys what I got done in, what time is it? 2:36? Around 20 minutes, like 25 minutes. We did this entire wall, and this is a pretty long space. I would say an estimate of feet, but I know it'll be wrong, so I won't waste your time. And then I did all of these walls too, except for, of course, like the edges and the very top. Okay, babe, what are we having?
Tonight, we're having steamed jasmine rice with smoked pork loin and quick pickled vegetables.
Wow.
So
Wait, say it louder. Hold on. Okay. This is Chef Chad. This is your moment of fame. What are we having?
we have steamed white rice with smoked pork loin that I smoked for 4 hours and quick pickled vegetables. Cucumber, onion, jalapeno.
How do you make this? It's so good and it's so easy.
It's just sliced cucumbers, sliced onion, sliced jalapeno.
I think we have that in HelloFresh, right?
Yeah, vinegar and sugar. That's it.
I feel like it's a really popular recipe, like I've seen it before.
Yeah, it's good with like fatty pork things and rice.
For summer and spring though, it's like so good.
So you put some rice in your bowl,
Rice in the bowl, got it.
and then I dice this up, but you can have it sliced or however you want. And then as many pickles as you'd like. I like to put a big pile.
He doesn't like social media.
Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe. All right, his naps have been really weird today, so we're trying to get in a late nap. We're gonna go for a walk. Again?
Your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Probably.
The trees will whisper the word.
That's a cute baby. That's a cute baby. I see you. I see you in the mirror. I see you.
We have some new things we're testing out.
Tubby Todd.
What does that say? Can you? Hair and body wash,
Lotion.
lotion,
Ointment.
and ointment. Wait,
What you call it?
ointment.
Ointment.
And ointment.
You
Give me
fill
that.
my
Oh, my
head
baby.
with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing
It's late, it's around 11 o'clock. We've just been taking care of really boring things. We had a Skype call for this city planning commission thing that Chad insisted we listen to, and they never even got to the whole point of the meeting. So that was a smart, or not a smart, but like a waste of time. I did my nails with a gel nail kit from Amazon, the same one I've had for like around 2 years, and I'm literally obsessed with it. It lasts forever, like around 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it really depends. And I will link it, but the one thing I have learned with this is less is more, like thin coats. Love it. I'll show you guys everything I use. Actually, it's all still sitting out here, and it will be sitting out here until tomorrow because I'm not taking care of anything else tonight. Here's where I keep all my stuff in this basket, and then in the kit it comes with smaller versions, like a trial size almost. So I bought all the full sizes a long time ago. And so yeah, there's like a pH bond, foundation, a top coat, and then of course the polish color. The white that I use, I get this question all the time. It's Arctic Freeze. It's just like a true white. And then the pink one that you see me use a lot, I think it's called Pink Smoothie. Let me just make sure while we're here. Yeah, it's Pink Smoothie. So these are my two favorites that I go back and forth between. And that's what it looks like. I mean, for an amateur, an absolute amateur, I would say that is pretty good. And I had another Amazon purchase come in. It's these sponges. I've seen so many reviews on them. This listing has like 1,500 5-star reviews or something crazy like that. But it's a pack of 6 for $7 or $8, around there. I've used this 3 times so far, and I am really impressed. I feel like whenever I see sponges for that cheap, they are as hard as a rock, and these ones are not. It's honestly like super nice quality. It feels like the real one. And then last thing, I've been working on this video, and I swear my hair looks so red in this video, and I really don't think it looks like that in real life, so I need to figure that out. Maybe there's like a red undertone in the hair gloss I use that I talked about in the last vlog. I don't know, because I really don't like that. Whenever I have super dark hair like this, like a darker brown, I like when it's really cool toned. So if you have any tips, I don't know. I know that the brand of hair gloss has a cool toned brunette shampoo and conditioner. Help me. I don't know what I'm talking about with hair, and I know a lot of you guys do. So that's basically everything for this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll link the nail polish kit. I will link the sponges. Is there anything else I talked about? I think that's it, but yeah, thank you for watching. Check out the links below. I have recent videos down there too, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.